Vlog. What? Why does it have a smiley face?
I don't know.
Because it's weird. Is that a funny joke? Mom,
Whoa.
can I open this? Hey, Vlog, can I get a frozen slime first?
Sure.
Oh, I need a frozen slime. What is this? So blue. Like, it's like hot and open. Like pure. What is it?
Is it cold?
Yeah, Neighbor, hey Vlog, I'm doing the hot. This is really hot.
Whoa.
Oh, I gotta go in. I got Caitlin is like pirates.
Yeah.
Ready? I think
Whoa.
I see a wing in there.
You do?
Yeah.
Did you get pirate treasure? Wow.
No.
Whoa.
I got a coin block. Oh, I do. Oh, ready?
You working on your frozen
Yeah.
slime?
What in the heck
Whoa.
is that white thing?
A real pirate ring?
Mom, is it real?
Well, sure.
I think it's real.
You do?
Yeah, I just think it's a toy.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah. Wow, I got Toy Story.
Ooh.
Now, we all got the same thing. White Vlog?
I don't know. Looks like it.
Oh my gosh, I got a coin.
Oh, that's a real coin.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
I can put this in my mini bank.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. I'm putting that on my bag. They have lots of money. I got 5.
Whoa, you got 5?
Since I'm about 5 years old. Since I'm 25, I got a 5 on there. Yeah.
You're 25?
No.
Or the money?
I said when I'm 5.
Oh, when you're 5.
When I turn 5.
I got you.
Why is it so sticky?
Is it sticking to you everywhere?
Like, I do not know what. This white thing looks like a brain. That looks like a human brain.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm just going for the side.
A frozen slime brain.
Hey, Vlog, this looks like on Indiana Jones. It's like a ball.
Yeah, the ball that chases him out.
Yeah. Hey, Vlog, guess what? My grandpa, we were going to Disney and there was this show and he won from the ball. It
Yeah.
was really cool. The hometown family, our hometown family watched him.
Oh, yeah.
He done so good. He done 1,000 times. That guy that keeps that thing.
Yeah. He gets to be on stage at Disney
Yeah.
with Indiana Jones.
Yeah.
You gonna-
Indiana Jones. Hey, Vlog, I'm gonna hammer this.
Hammer it. Whoa.
This is too that made me hold you.
Is it too frozen?
This is not. Hey, Vlog, this is not a frozen thing. This is a hard wall.
It is?
Yeah. Wow! Look at the gym. It's like on PJ Masks.
Yeah.
This is like Gecko's one.
True.
We start mixing.
Mix it up.
Oh, great. Those are the steps. Here we go, no.
Whoa.
I'm gonna start opening the stuff actually.
Okay.
Gonna go. I'm going for this slime. Wow, look at this coin. I have the number 10 on it and treasure. And I
Wow.
have a pirate on the back, Ron.
Ooh.
No, this is hard to open.
What color is that?
Is it blue?
Blue?
What kind of?
Oh, you're gonna mix it in there?
Yeah.
Ooh. Now we're talking.
Now we're talking.
Whoa.
Oh, gosh.
Is it hard to do?
It's so cold. Oh, it gets. Oh, it's hot as wings.
Hot. The hot one.
Yeah, the hot one.
That one's hot and that one's frozen.
Yeah.
Oh, Sis is still working on her frozen one.
Okay, well, I wonder what's in this ice thing, vlog. I got cat boy.
Ooh.
Hey, I'm just eating. Oh, yeah. I let in cat boy. Oh, you do. I'm a let is tiny. I think I'm done.
You done messing with the frozen one?
Now what do I do, Mom?
Whatever you want to do. Why don't you?
Is something inside?
I don't know. Hey, why don't you start putting the cold with the hot, and then you need to start doing your beads and stuff and mix it.
I'm going to put some on my sister.
Yeah, sure. Whoa.
Great.
So many beads. How many beads do you think that is?
5,100.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh, Lucy's under the table. I'm dog.
Lucy,
Vlog.
what are you doing?
Hey, Vlog. Just a minute. I'm not sorry for the clothes anymore.
Yeah. It's just too cold too.
It's too loud.
What are you doing over there? Finding money? Are you excited?
I got all of my crystals.
Oh, let me see.
Oh,
Wow.
Let's hold up all of them so my vlog can film.
Okay.
Not yours vlog, it's both ones. Well, this is my favorite color vlog.
Ooh.
Oh my gosh, I see glitter. Look how pretty
Let me
vlog.
see.
Look how pretty this is, vlog.
Wow.
Vlog, do you know why I like this? Do you know why I like this color?
Tell them why.
Because it's so pretty.
Yeah. Blue, is it your favorite?
Sure.
You got it?
I can't.
Here, I'll help you.
Vlog, do you see the pretty sunset back there?
Sunset and snow.
Okay, give me the vlog. The vlog. I'm gonna start making my
Whoa.
slime and my slime.
You scoot it up.
Oh, beads. Oh my beads. Oh my beads.
You need help?
Vlog, this is just
You got it. Are you okay over there?
Look at my vlog. I'm gonna take this whole entire thing out, vlog. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's so heavy. Mine is gonna be way more heavy. Mix all of those beads up in there. Something in here.
It looks like it, doesn't it?
Oh wait, vlog, I'm back to my quota. It's 7 No, I don't know what's in here.
Is it just...
Do you need some help?
Whoa, it's freezing, isn't it?
Vlog, what the heck? Wait, in the heck is this right thing? I'm gonna put it in.
There you go.
Can I put this white
Whoa.
thing in here?
Sure.
Oh. Wait. I'm gonna dump this out.
Here.
I can put on the plate.
There you go.
My slime is gonna be awesome. Oh,
Whoa.
glitter. Oh, I see glitter. I've never put glitter on slime before.
You haven't?
We need to take a bath.
Yeah, you'll probably need to take a bath.
Mom, you think you'll have to move? Oh,
Oh.
right, Mom.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, my pirate ring is going down into this white thing.
Into the frozen slime.
Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh my geez. Oh my geez.
Whoa, that's beautiful.
Ooh, that is beautiful. Should we do this in the bottom?
What is
Mom,
it?
thank you, Lee. Thank you. Mom, thank you. I thought it was like, Mom, it would be like, if there was like, if it was like slime monsters in it, that would be the best day.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mom, can we make another video of this? but with slime monsters in the slime.
That's a great idea.
With the vlog
Sure, I bet the blog would want to see it.
and stones and coins.
Sure.
Click the subscribe button if you ever saw slime monster.
Ooh, slime monster.
Hey,
What
hey,
color?
dog.
What color is a slime monster?
Rainbow.
What do you
Hey,
think?
hey dog, if you like if you squat if you squat it's down here in the comment button. It's right down there.
Very good.
And squat if you like slime.
Oh, I bet a lot of people like slime. Whoa. What all's in there?
I'm gonna turn it on.
Okay. Whoa.
No,
And-
the bees will come out.
and push them down in there.
That was pushed in very low.
Whoa.
Is that what you're doing? The bees are going away. Is that fine, Mom?
Sure.
No, it's getting even more. Oh, it's not.
What'd you find? Ooh, beautiful gem.
Slimy. Hello, did you see the slime? Oh my gosh.
Let's see what it looks like from the bottom.
Okay, Mom.
Can you hold it up?
No.
Let's see.
Hello?
Oh my goodness, so many bees. Ooh.
Oh my gosh, Mom, look at this.
Whoa.
Mom, holy cow, this is so heavy. Holy cow. Hello? Do you know this is heavy for me?
I bet it is. What all did you mix with yours, Case?
I'm gonna mix all of the stuff out.
Whoa. Ah!
I can get that later.
Yeah, we'll get it later.
Yeah.
Whoa, so many bees.
This is beautiful.
That is very beautiful.
Dog.
What is it?
Mama, I was talking about where those things. I dumped them all in my bag.
Here, dump these in yours.
Mom, hey vlog, are you ready?
Oh, are you ready, vlog?
I'm kind of not ready.
Here.
I'm just going to put the whole thing.
You want to put the beads in this and then put that in here? Or no?
Yeah, put the glitter in. What if I put a bead in?
Yeah, that's a great idea.
So this is all the stuff that I got?
Whoa.
Yeah.
So many treasures.
I put the beads in the glitter in vlog. I'm going to
Go for it.
Hey vlog, click the subscribe button if you like this no video that was just Hey vlog.
It looks like a what? Whoa.
Oh my gosh,
The glittery mountain.
look at this side. I'm going to go.
So pretty.
Whoa. This is like a home.
Whoa, you're stuck.
Can you do this?
Ah! Where are you putting it in this?
No, then this thing. Oh, I got coins. There's a lot of more coins. Oh, what is that?
Got it. What are we gonna do with these?
Save them for another video. Yeah.
You don't think you need more?
But Mom, we need to leave them on the hill.
Yeah.
Mom, we need to see.
Yep.
Yeah, I can have some of these. Yes, I can have some of this.
Wow. What are you making out of yours? We're just
Dog.
rolling it.
I'm just gonna roll it for now, and then I'll make a huge mountain.
Wow, that's pretty, isn't it?
I have coins and stones.
Whoa. How many? Can you count them? Whoa.
I'm gonna dump mine on the table.
Okay.
Alright. Now what if I just put it on the table?
Sure.
Mom. Oh my gosh, there's literally slime on my chin.
Oh my goodness.
I'm putting all of my stuff back in the slime.
Whoa.
Click the subscribe button if you see slime on my chin.
That looks pretty like an ocean.
Mom, I'm just saying something to the vlog.
Okay.
Hey vlog, if you didn't subscribe, then you need to subscribe.
That's right. Are you turning into a slime monster?
Alright, Kate, we have to do some destruction. We're like little kids. Okay, so vlog, this time I'm gonna stretch it.
Whoa.
See what happens.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh, this
Yep.
little so beautiful.
It is. Here, I'll stretch it with you. You pull. Whoa. Oh,
Before it didn't work.
nope.
I'm gonna get all of these on my slime. I hope I don't make any mistakes. All of that. I'm gonna roll my vlog.
Wowzers.
You know what you're doing? Alright, Kate, it's time to mix them two together. Okay, so let me put all of these. Alright, put all of those in yours, and then I'll put all of these beads in. Okay. Now I'm gonna, oh gosh, my coins. Vlog, we're gonna leave this for later. We're leaving those for later. I'm
Okay.
saving you, frozen slime. Okay, it's time to mix all together.
Whoa.
My frozen.
Need your frozen one?
Oh. I'm gonna put a bead on it. That was pretty. Two beads on it. Then I'm putting beads on my slime. Alright, just mix yours. It mix mine into yours.
Oh my gosh.
It's a big slime.
Whoa. Can y'all pick it up together? Whoa.
I'm strong. I'm strong.
You are.
It's like a huge crocodile.
It is.
Mom, I'm eating. Mom,
Whoa.
feel my muscles.
Holy cow.
Feel my muscles.
You've been lifting a lot of slime, haven't you?
I
Wow.
need this. Since I make my slime in holes, I'm going to open my frozen.
Go for it. Whoa. It's like you're rolling out a pizza.
Yay! I'm a Pizza Hut.
You're a Pizza Hut.
Where am I going? Okay, this. Yeah, we don't know it. We don't know whose coin, but it don't matter.
That's right.
We share the coin. Today, tonight, we are gonna make a pizza. Not a real pizza, just a slime pizza. And my brother is still working on his frozen slime, and my teeth. Now we have to roll out the pizza. Sometimes I like to do this. Just mash it all right on the middle. I think that's enough roll. Now put the pepperoni. Oh no, that's the onion. Okay, now let's do the pepperoni. If you are a fan of pepperoni, click the subscribe button. I know my mom is. Now let's put the onions on.
Okay.
We're gonna put them around the pepperoni.
Whoa. Look at my hand.
Mushrooms everywhere.
This is like super sticky.
Mushrooms everywhere. So, these onions are hard to cut up.
They are.
Yeah. This duo just use like this. I need a rolling pin.
Oh.
I need a rolling pin.
Are you hammering your mushroom?
How did it quench?
Man. That must be an old mushroom.
Yeah.
A frozen one.
No, a frozen one. That's ice.
Whoa.
I'm sure you bought this. But Mom, we're living outside. No.
Oh, yeah.
Why you were just getting the slime.
Yeah.
Look at all of my mushrooms. then put the whole large onion.
Wow.
This time we're getting slime and slime monsters and like toys that we don't have.
Oh, I see.
Okay, Mom?
I gotcha. Y'all
Oh!
should hold it up like this. It is like hard to get off your hand.
Mom, we are doing the
Hey.
yeah, we're doing the pizza hut.
What about a drink? What are we gonna drink?
Little.
Wow.
What, we don't even have little.
Well, here.
Then what can this be? That's more onion.
Hey, how about this? That can be your drink. Whoa.
Yes. Oh, I found another pet.
Whoa. Pepperoni's everywhere. A big onion. And what? Can we make this a drink? What kind of drink would it be?
Oh, I see another pepperoni. There's a lot of pepperoni in this pizza. My mom will eat all of the pepperoni she can.
You think so?
Oh, wait, what can these be then?
What else do people eat on pizzas?
Peppers.
Peppers.
What else? Peppers all over the place. What can these be? Nothing.
Well, yeah. What do you want it to be? What else is something that's on pizzas? Some people put hamburger on pizzas.
Ooh.
Like little pieces of hamburger.
Remember, Mom, I just eat. Oh my God. So I'm gonna put some onions on. There's some different onions too.
Ooh.
Different onions.
Bubba, did you chop up the onions for it?
Yeah,
Good job.
a big onion.
Whoa.
And then I got a little cherry to put in the middle.
A cherry? Cool.
Cherry for good luck. And
A mushroom. Whoa.
wait, Mom, these can be mushrooms actually.
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah, mushroom. Yeah.
You're the
My brother is chopping up all of the mushrooms that he can.
very good.
We're gonna put all of the onions on.
Whoa.
So heavy.
Is that a mushroom?
Yeah.
Are you gonna put
And we put all of the little pieces.
Are you gonna put the whole big mushroom on there?
No.
No.
Hey, Lord, look at this. Mom is getting
Oh, it's a little baby mushroom.
We'll put that by the mama.
Whoa. Are you gonna eat a mushroom, Bubba?
No.
Ew.
I don't like the mushroom.
A slime mushroom. Oh, wow. Duck. Hey, he likes slime too. He's like, I'm here for the slime party. How you doing?
Mom, we can show him the onion.
Who?
This is onions.
You want me to show him?
Yeah.
Stink Bug, do you like onions?
Hey.
He said no. You want me to show him yours? Stink Bug? He said, frozen slime / onions? No way.
He said, no way. No way, Jose.
He's just watching. He said, I didn't know we were having a slime party.
What if we let him in cup?
And put him outside.
Yeah, but Mom, this is gonna be his home.
Are we going to keep him? Okay. He's your pet stink bug? What are you going to name him?
Is in the cup. Is he getting in?
He's like, my new home, it has a lot of glitter in it. I don't know about that.
Mom, that's my cup. Put him somewhere else.
I thought he was your pet.
I just want him somewhere else.
Okay.
Well, he's nice and safe.
Okay, he's back there nice and safe.
Yeah, but when I get on the computer moving.
I will. Are you kind of scared of your pet?
Yeah. But Mom, yeah. One time when we was going to the beach, there was a stink bug on Chase's leg, and he screamed.
That is
He
true.
does not like. Hey,
Oh,
Mom,
where's
wait.
Steph?
What was those
What?
Those gems. Peppers.
Peppers.
Peppers. Yeah, peppers.
What kind of drink is this with our pizza?
Slash eat it.
What?
Slash eat it. Dr. Pepper.
Dr. Pepper, that's perfect.
Mr. Pibb.
Even better, Mr. Pibb.
No, I think Dr. Pepper is better.
You do?
Wait,
No way.
both of them can be in mix.
Yes.
Yes.
And if Stinkbug leaves his house over there, we can have 2 different drinks.
Oh! Oh no, he's leaving!
Stinkbug's leaving his house.
Stinkbug, are you going to the shop?
Yep.
Mom, leave him alone.
No, he jumped off of it, and I was getting your cup back so we can make another drink.
Alright, Lon, I'm doing this super fast.
Whoa, is that crust? Are you gonna make a whole nother pizza? You could roll out a whole nother pizza, a mini pizza.
Okay.
You could make a chocolate chip pizza like we love. That's a great idea.
No, we need chocolate.
Well, roll it out and we'll find some.
Oh, the wings.
Yes, perfect.
No, Mommy, bees.
Perfect.
Out the box. Out the... Mom, both of them do not smell
Yeah.
this and maybe smells like stink bug.
You think it smells like a stink bug?
No, not for like stink bug. Just heavy bug.
Yeah? You gonna roll your pizza out? Very
Dog,
good.
I'm going to fix this.
There you go.
There. We got water here. Look at my water. That's not water. I drink water. I'm hydrated.
Very good. You know what you might can do?
What?
Is flip it like they do. Look. Hey, yeah.
Hey, Mom,
Oh,
look.
whoop.
I can flip it.
Yeah.
See you like that.
Say your pizzeria thing. Wow. You're like a real pizza man. How much is your chocolate chip pizza gonna cost, sir?
$1.
That's all? That's a
Yeah.
good deal.
But you don't mean any dollars. It's free.
Even better.
Look at this dog. It's like it.
Whoa.
Onions.
Yours is still really frozen, isn't it?
My onions is. Yeah. You should start working on yours, okay? You should put yours in some slime and then it will go smaller. Like mine. Sis, can I have some of the pizza? Yes. This is a big pizza. I'm gonna eat it. You can take some of the pizza. Only a little.
Oh, okay.
Only a little though.
I
Not
got you.
big.
Okay.
A little bit. Yeah, a little bit. You can get a little. Alright, look, I'm still doing my frozen slime. Case is still a little bit big. It's my mom is still working on it. Okay. And Case is working on another pizza.
What
But
kind
it's
of
a
pizza?
mini pizza. Mini. Only put them with the chocolate. We love that kind. One day can we get that chocolate? But we don't put it.
Yeah.
And we didn't say. Hi. It's Roddy Boy.